so we're going to go ahead and start your 6-6 worksheet 2 homework. So we're going to go from the inside out. The inside out says I do g at 3 first. So g at 3 is taking x squared plus 6x minus 1. And every place I see an x, I plug in a 3 for it. So 3 squared plus 6 times 3 minus a 1. 9 plus 18 minus 1. 27 minus 1 gives you a 26. So 26 is g at 3. So I'm going to be doing f at 26 now. So if I'm doing f at 26, the f function is negative 2x plus 7. Plugging in a 26 for that x. That's going to be a 52 negative plus 7 to give you a negative 45. So what is f at 26? Negative 45. That is your answer for that problem. Okay? Let's keep going. Number 4. Every time you read this, the little o is going to be a parenthesis. And remember, you work from the inside out. So I'm going to do an f at 7. F is negative 2x plus 7. Plugging in a 7 for the x, that's negative 2 times 7. Negative 14 plus 7 gives you a negative 7. That means anytime I see an f at 7, I put in negative 7. So I'm going to go ahead and say that this is h at negative 7. So now I'm going to take the h function and I'm going to do that at negative 7. Putting in a negative 7 for x. It's negative 14 minus 6. Negative 20 over 5 to give you a negative 4. So h at negative 7 is negative 4, and that is your final answer that you would be looking for. Let's keep going. Number 7. This is a composition of an expression. That means that g is x squared plus 6x minus 1. And that's what you're plugging in for f. So negative 2x plus 7, you are going to plug in this for x. So that means I have a negative 2, parenthesis, x squared plus 6x minus 1, close parenthesis, plus a 7. Distribute this, negative 2x squared minus 12x plus 2 plus 7. Negative 2x squared minus 12x plus 9. I plugged in an expression, and I get an expression back out, and that is number 7. Keep going. Number 11. You are going to replace this little o's with parentheses, working from the inside out. So the very first thing I need to do is g at 1. G is x squared plus 6x minus 1. So that's 1 squared plus 6 times 1 minus 1. So that's 1 plus 6 minus 1, which is 6. So now I'm doing h at f at 6. So you're going to take the f function and do that at 6. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12 plus 7 is negative 5. Now this means that you're taking h at negative 5. So if that's the case, h at negative 5 is going to be 2x minus 6 over 5. So that's 2 times negative 5 minus 6. So negative 10 minus 6 over 5 is negative 16 over 5. That is the final answer that you should be having. That is what we are looking for. That's your final answer. Last one that I'm going to do for you is number 14. You see the little o, go ahead and replace that with a parenthesis. This means I understand what f of x is because it's in the directions. So that means I'm doing g at negative 2x plus 7. G is described to be x squared plus 6x minus 1. I am plugging in that expression. So this is going to be negative 2x plus 7 squared plus 6 times negative 2x plus 7 minus 1. I'm going to write this down twice. I'm going to distribute. And now I'm going to FOIL. 4x squared minus 14x minus 14x plus 49 minus 12x plus 41. So 4x squared minus 28x plus 49 minus 12x plus 41. Combine like terms, you're going to get 4x squared minus 40x plus a 90. And you are done. That is tonight's homework.